and welcome. Today we're going to learn about how to put in anchored links so that when you click at the top of the page, you can go down to the specific content that you want further on in the page. You can even anchor from page to page. Here's a typical web page. There's a whole lot of content here as you scroll down the page. Links are up at the top here, and we'd like to have them take you to the individual sections that are further down the page. Here is the nav. Let's start off with the Contact Us. We're going to make that an email link. Dreamweaver has a really great interface for this. Just select the type that you want to add the link to and come down to your Properties panel. Find the link field here and type mail to, MAILTO, colon, and then add the email address you want to use. And then hit return. It's as simple as that. Now you've got the protocol mail to, which will send the web browser to your email so that you can communicate with whatever email address is in there. Let's test it out in a browser. And see, here it is triggering the email. Terrific. Next up are all of these anchored links. And like I said, we'd like to have them take you down to the section about that anchor. So we need to do two things. We need to make the link, but we also need to make the anchor. So above each of these sections, we're going to have to put in an anchor that the link can reference. Let's start with the About Us section. If I come down to About Us, I'm just going to hit return here and type a name equals, and then I'm going to give this location a name. It can be anything as long as it's lowercase and does not begin with a number or have any spaces. And that's what you should see. It should say a name, the name in quotation marks, and then ending bracket and the ending a tag. That is an anchor that we can then reference up at the top in that navigation. So once again, select the type you want to link, go down to your Properties panel, and right into your link field, I want you to type the name of the file that this anchor is on, and then put hashtag, and whatever value you put for name, that's the value you're going to put there. So in this case, it's intro to links.html, hashtag about us, and that is it. And that will take the user right down to the About Us section of this website. Let's do one for locations. I'm down in the locations section, and I'm just going to add that anchor, a name equals, and I'm going to use locations as the name, and put my opening and closing a tag. And then back up to my navigation. Here we go. Select the type we want, come down to Properties, and type the name of the file, in this case, intro to links.html, hashtag our locations. Just hit enter when you've got it how you want it. The rest of them will be exactly the same. Let's test it in a browser. And here we go. Click down to the About Us section and click down to our locations. And there we go. Works like a charm. Happy linking!